In this video, I will show you how to install your Zomex WordPress theme. In the first tab, I have a fresh installation of WordPress on my test domain. The theme will work with WordPress installed in any location, but we recommend that WordPress is installed on your main domain, e.g. zomex.net instead of zomex.net/example. In the second tab, I am logged into my Zomex account, which contains my purchased theme. Check the description of this video for a link to view all of our premium WordPress themes. For this tutorial, I will be installing Stellar, but all of our themes have the exact same process to install. To start, let's go ahead and download the theme files. Access your zomex.com account and visit the client area. Click on the Orders button, then click on Manage next to your purchased theme. Click on the Download button and then download the latest version of the theme. The latest version will always be the highest version number, so in this case it's 2.7. Next, extract the zip to your local PC. The extracted folder contains a mix of files. theme_upload.zip is the file we can upload to WordPress. The upload folder contains the extracted theme files. These can be used to install the theme using FTP. The PSD folder contains some of the theme's graphics as editable Photoshop files. Finally, Content Import contains all of the content you see in the theme demo. Now you know what all the files are, let's go ahead and install the theme. Head to your WordPress admin panel and click on the Appearance link on the left sidebar. Then click on the Add New Theme button. Click on the Upload Theme button. Then browse and select the theme_upload.zip file within the extracted theme folder. Click on Install Now. Next, head back to the Themes page and we can see Stellar now appears. Hover over and click on the Activate button. Now Stellar has been activated, visit the Wizard panel page within the left menu. Head back to your zomex.com account. Click on the Information tab to the left of the download page and copy the theme license key. Head back to Wizard panel. Paste your license key and click on the Save Changes button. The theme is now activated and you can see all of the theme options available. Using Wizard panel, you can set your company name, upload your logo, change display options, set your social profiles and more. The blank theme is now installed. If you want to add content manually, you can stop the video at this stage and start creating your website. However, using the pre-made content and pages, it will be easier for you to adapt and customize the theme to your needs. Let's go ahead and import the demo content. Hover over the left Tools menu and click on Import. Under WordPress, click on the Install Now link, followed by Run Importer. Click on the Browse Theme button, and within the theme directory, open Content Import and select the XML import file. Next, click on Upload File and Import. Under Assigned Authors, select your main admin account. This will assign all of the imported pages and posts to the selected admin. Then check the Download and Import File Attachments box and submit. The demo content has now been imported, which includes the page, post, menus as seen in the theme demo. Next, we need to assign the imported menus to the correct area. Hover over Appearance and click on Menus. Click on the Manage Locations tab. Set each theme location to the matching menu and click on Save Changes. Let's open the website and see how it looks so far. We can see the menu and all demo pages are now displaying. By default, the theme will display your latest posts below the plans. To display the homepage from the demo, head back to your admin panel and go to Settings, Reading. For the homepage display, set a static page and select Homepage. Save changes, and then we will go ahead and refresh the home page. We can now see all of the homepage content is applied in replacement of the default post display. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. The final step is to set up the footer, which uses the built-in WordPress widgets. Head back to your WordPress admin panel and go to Appearance Widgets. Within the Content Import directory, open Widgets Overview.png. This is a screenshot showing the widgets used by the demo. Let's go ahead and add them in WordPress. While I'm adding these widgets, it's important to note that you can use any widgets you choose to create a unique footer for your website. The menu widgets I'm adding are provided by WordPress itself. As we add the widgets in column 4, we are going to be using widgets that are exclusive to the theme. The contents of these can be customized using Wizard Panel. Click on the Update button to apply your selected widgets to the theme. Head back to the front end. Refresh and you can now see the footer is displayed. Your theme has now been installed, complete with all of the demo content. You can proceed to check out our other guides and videos to learn how to customize your theme. Before I end this tutorial, it's important to note that the theme includes some placeholder links. For example, in the top right, we have the Contact, View Cart, and Client Area links. If we click on one of these links, the theme will display a placeholder page. Our themes support integration with all of the top software in the hosting industry, including WHMCS, Blester, Client Exec, Hostbill, YCP, and FOSS Billing. Check out our other tutorials showing you how to enable the software of your choice to activate these links in replacement of the placeholder page. Once you have activated your chosen software, all of these links will be updated automatically. If you want to use the WordPress theme without any software integration, you can remove or customize these links however you choose. This video was brought to you by Zomex. At Zomex, we have been providing premium WordPress themes since 2009. You can view our full range of themes and services in the description below. Save 10% on your next order using the coupon code YouTube. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to ensure that you are notified of new videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider making a small donation to the channel via the description of this video. Donations are much appreciated and will allow us to increase the quality and frequency of videos.